Hello, what's up everyone? I'm back again with another video tutorial. So today in this video tutorial we're going to discuss that how can we see someone's Instagram story without letting them know, without them knowing that we have viewed their story. So how to do that? So first of all, I'll tell you that you can't do that with the official version of Instagram app. You'll have to download a third-party application, or basically an alternative to that, which is Instander, or you can also call it Instagram Pro. So what you need to do is download this from Google. You won't be able to find it on Google Play Store since it doesn't follow some of their user term and policy. So that's why you'll have to download it from the Google. And what you got to do is open up Instander and log into Instander. It's basically the same as Instagram is. And now what you got to do is you got to go to your profile, and in profile what you're going to do is click on the three dashes in the top right corner under the battery icon. Click on the three dashes, and after that this window will pop up. Now what you're going to do is click on Instander setting. Right, once you click on that, now what's going to happen is basically this option is going to pop up. Now here what you're going to do is go and click on ghost mode, and you will get a bunch of options. Now here you can see the don't mark stories as seen. So basically if you toggle it on, then people won't be able to know that you have basically viewed their story. You can do it for live streams too. You can hop into live stream, but they won't find out that you have actually you are actually watching the live stream. So it also works at that too, and also for the disabling typing status and also direct read. So this is how you can basically watch stories without letting them know. What you got to do is download this third-party application named Instander and go to its setting, and inside the setting go to ghost mode, and after that what you're going to do is click on don't mark stories as seen. And once you've done this, you can go ahead and watch stories. People won't find out about that you have watched their story, or they won't be notified about that. So that's pretty much it. That's how you do it. So if you have any question regarding this, you can drop it down in the comment section, and I'll love to answer and get back to you. And yeah, drop a like, comment for more videos like this one. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.